In I am thinking of a number, you have to work carefully and often backwards to get the answer. Most of them say, what's the number that, and then they give you a little sort of riddle almost. When I double it, the result is 4. So if you're doubling a number to get 4, then you work backwards, and the opposite of doubling is halving. So you think to yourself, what is half of 4? Half of 4 is 2, and then check it. Just check it before you submit. Just put that number into the riddle. So when I double 2, the result is 4. That works, so I know I'm correct. When I divide it by 3, the result is 8. So if I think to myself, if I divide it by 3, the opposite of dividing something by 3 is timesing by 3. So if I get 8 when I divide it by 3, if I times it by 3, if I times 8 by 3, I'm going to get 24. It's the opposite. Now I'll just check it. When I divide it by 3, so divide 24 by 3, the result is 8. Yes, that's correct. When I divide 24 by 3, I do get 8. So I'm just checking it by putting it back in. Okay. Here's another one. When I add 7 to it, the result is 1 less than 11. So working backwards, 1 less than 11 is 12. Sorry, is 10. 1 less than 11 is 10. And what do you add 7 to get to 10? Well, I have to add 7 to 3 to get to 10. Okay, I think that's what it is. Now I'm going to check it to make sure I've done that correctly. I've not made any silly mistakes. When I add 7 to it, when I add 7 to 3, the result is 1 less than 11. Well, yes, when I add 7 to 3, I get 10, and that is 1 less than 11. So I know I'm correct. So all I'm doing is working through backwards, and then at the end, I'm putting the number that I think it is back through the riddle just to make sure I'm right. I'll do one more for you. When I double it, the result is 11 less than 65. So 11 less than 65 is 54. So I've done that part first. And when I double it, so I need to halve 54. Half of 54 is 27. Let me check it. When I double 27, which I get is 54, that's 11 less than 65. Yep, that's correct. It is 11 less than 65.